Okay, we're starting off with our sugar cookies with our patriotic M&Ms, and once we get them nice and covered, we're gonna bring in our sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and we're gonna just place our M&M sugar cookies right on top of our parchment paper. I found this super fun patriotic parchment paper from Michaels, and we just want to make sure we have an even number of cookies that we cut out of our sugar cookie log. This is going to be so fun. All right, I squeezed 2 more of our cookie rounds onto our sheet pan. Now this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Oh my goodness, look at these jumbo cookies. They look beautifully cooked. Now we're gonna let these set so they can completely chill. All right, these have fully cooled, and we're gonna just flip over half of our cookies just like so. These other 2 we can kind of just place to the side. And then I'm next gonna come in with my vanilla ice cream. This is the Thrifties ice cream, which is the best ice cream you can buy. And I have my ice cream scoop, and we're gonna scoop a beautiful scoop right onto our cookies. Oh, these are big cookies, so I might need to add 2 scoops. What do you think, babe?
I think we start with 1 and see how it looks.
Okay. So on the ones that we flipped over, we are adding our vanilla ice cream to. Now you can use whatever ice cream you like. You can make your cookies smaller. You could even use chocolate chip cookie dough. But this is so fun for the 4th of July. You know, July is the hottest month of the year, so there's nothing more refreshing than a scoop of ice cream. And you could probably guess what's happening next. We are gonna place our other cookies right on top of the ice cream, nice and gentle to make sure not to break our cookies. You can even use a spatula to kind of flatten out that ice cream, but it's soft enough. That's the great thing about Thrifties ice cream, is that it is nice and soft. Now you could be done here, but you guys know I'm extra, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our beautiful cookie ice cream sandwich, and I have some fun 4th of July sprinkles. Then we're going to just sprinkle this right onto our ice cream so that we have some fun sprinkles on the side. We got the stars, we got the little classic jimmies, and we are just doing that super fast before that ice cream melts. All right, we're gonna finish these other ones up super quick. All right, we had to rush these into the freezer after we sprinkled them, but they look absolutely adorable. Okay, it is time to cut into one of these because, let's be real, this is a big serving. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is gonna be good. I cannot wait to give this a try.
Is it good?